How to install ChatGPT on Windows 11. So first you want to open up your Microsoft App Store on your computer. And then in the search bar, you will need to search for ChatGPT and make sure to click on the first app and then click on install. And once it's installed, you want to click on the open button to open it up. And once you open it up, you will need to sign in to your account or create a new account if you don't have one already. And the second way to install it is to use your browser. So first you want to open up your browser and head to chatgpt.com and make sure you're signed into your account. Now you want to click on the three vertical dots on your Google Chrome browser and then come down to Cast, Save and Share, click on it and then click on Install Page as App. And this will basically install the page as app in your desktop. You can give it a name like this and click on install. Now if you go back to your desktop, you should find the app icon. Now if it doesn't appear immediately, you might just wait a little bit for it to be created or added. Now as you can see, we have the app logo here, so you can just double click on it and it will open up the ChatGPT on its own standalone window as an app, which you can start using. You should be already automatically signed into your account. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and see you on the next one.